In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request control in Google Meet. Google Meet is a popular video conferencing tool used by many to connect for both personal and professional purposes. While the platform is intuitive and user-friendly, there might be occasions where you need more than just joining a meeting. Today, we're focusing particularly on the aspect of requesting control during a meeting. Let's get started and guide you through the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet's website. Begin by opening your web browser and typing in meet.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your meeting, invitations, or workplace, as this will help avoid any access issues. If you're prompted, choose your Google account from the list available. If it's not already appearing, you might have to add it manually. Moving on to the next crucial step, you'll be asked to enter your password. Key in your details, ensuring accuracy, as this is your gateway to accessing all of Google's robust features. After typing in your password, click Next. This will direct you to your Google Meet dashboard, a central hub for all your video conferencing needs. Now, if you have a specific meeting link, you'll need to copy it from wherever it was shared with you, whether that's an email, a calendar invite, or a message. Go back to the Google Meet dashboard, paste the link in the URL bar, and click Join. This step is essential if you're joining scheduled meetings using dedicated links. Once you've entered the link and clicked Join, you might be met with a screen to ask to join. This is a normal procedure to get the host's approval to enter the meeting. So click on Ask to Join and wait for the host to grant you access into the ongoing meeting. It's always a good practice to make sure you're joining a few minutes early, as this gives ample time to address any technical issues without unnecessary stress. Once the meeting has officially begun, you may notice that the option for requesting control isn't readily available on the screen. Google Meet typically does not feature a specific control request button visible to participants. Instead, the way to proceed from here is to directly communicate with the host or the current controller of the presentation. You can request to take control or share your screen via the chat function, or a polite verbal request, depending on the formality and structure of your meeting. In cases where collaboration tools or specific controls are needed, the participant who's presenting will need to pass control to you, which is easily done by stopping their screen sharing, allowing you to take over. Always ensure to follow up on these requests with direct communication so that the ease of transitioning control enhances the overall productivity of your meeting. And remember, having open lines of communication ensures a smooth transition of controls in the collaborative environment of Google Meet. That's all for today's tutorial on navigating the process of requesting control within Google Meet. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.